Say hi to our vlog.
I just said hello. Why you asked me to say
How about Chantal? Say hi to our vlog. Ay! She say hi! Oh my gosh! Oh, my little vlogger!
Oh, she's showing
Oh,
her.
so cute! Oh, so cute! Alam niya na kung paano mag-hi sa vlog, guys! Oh, hi, Crystal!
Hi!
Hello people! Good afternoon! Sa previous video ko nga pala na in-upload, which is, yung title is Huli pero di kulong. Yan yung nagpa-park ako roadside, tapos pagbalik ko, ayun, meron ng salmon. So, exactly 1 week today, and ayoko na, mas madadagdagan yung, yung araw, kasi nga, madadagdagan din yung, yung parang fines niya. So, magbabayad ako ngayon, and I decided na isi-share ko na lang sa inyo, kasi baka makakatulong din to sa iba, in case na magkakaroon din kayo ng salmon dito sa Malaysia. So, wag naman sana. Pero, isi-share ko na lang kung saan, paano, at magkano yung mababayaran ko later on. Okay, so we are... Yeah. Okay, yeah, so later pupunta kami sa magbayad ng yung sinabi ko nga na salmon. So, andito pa kami sa sa what do we call this one? Mekaniko? Yung sa car, kasi magpapaano ako ng magpapa-change ng tire sa harap. So, yeah, later I will update you guys. So, he's driving the car kasi we're gonna change the tire.
What? Are we gonna change the tire while we're in?
No, they just want to take out the tire. And it's so hot, so I'm just gonna stay here while he's driving the car.
I wish it was colder.
Ano siya, mekaniko.
Are you Chantal? I kiss you.
No, I'm not Chantal. Do I
Mm.
look like Chantal?
Yeah, except you're oily.
Oily face.
Yeah.
So sweet, Ate Crystal. Alright, so kanina pa ako nagsasalita pero hindi pala siya nag-start. Naka-photo pala yun, hindi siya video. So anyway, we're done na papa-change ng tire. So ngayon naman ay pupunta na kami sa Puslaju or post office dito sa Malaysia, kasi pwede naman daw na magbayad doon. I'm not really sure kung pwede ba talaga, so we're just gonna try kung pwede. So kakagaling ko lang sa guys, post office or Puslaju. Puslaju yung tawag nila dito sa Malaysia, and sabi nila hindi daw dito pwedeng bayaran. Actually, first time ko din magkaroon ng ganito, and hindi ko alam saan or kung magkano yung babayaran. But then sabi nung staff is doon ko daw bayaran sa police station traffic, ganon, parang something ganon, which is hindi ko talaga alam kasi nga first time to. So I'm going there now. I know the place.
Really?
Yes, I know the place because that's the police station that we went when I got scammed. You remember that? Yeah, that's the police station that we're going. So at least now alam ko na kung saan pwedeng magbayad. So yung aalamin na lang natin is magkano siya. I can see the police station already. It's the blue building.
Wow, it's not really more white.
Oh my god, no, Chantal, no, this is your mushroom. Please, give me the mushroom. Exchange to mommy. Exchange. Thank you. Give me this one. I already gave your mushroom. Come on. Thank you. Yeah, successful yung pagbabayad natin ng salmon. First time in the history. First time ko magbayad ng salmon and first time ko nagkaroon ng salmon. So, dito nga ako nakapagbayad sa police station. Meron silang office wherein pwede ka magbayad ng mga summons like traffic violation. Pwede ka dito magbayad. And then yung ano ko pala, yung summon ko pala was 1 week siya. Exactly 1 week today. Today is Monday and last Monday ko lang din siya na last Monday lang din ako nagkaroon ng summon and talaga, pinilit ko na makapagbayad kaagad within this week. Ayoko maghintay pa kasi buti na lang kasi tinanong ko yung staff doon, what if late na ako magbabayad, like after 1 month. Wala naman daw siyang expiration, pero ngayon nang nabayaran ko 150 and then for the next nakalimutan ko na, next week ba yun or next month, right? I have to pay for 200 already. So nagatubo siya pag hindi mo siya mabayaran kaagad. And then I asked her what if, kasi wala naman siyang expiration date, tapos delayed yung instead na pwede mo namang bayaran as soon as possible pero hindi mo nabayaran kaagad, pwede daw magkaroon ka ng problema pag mag-a-apply ka ng road tax. So buti na lang binayaran ko siya kaagad para wala na tayong iisipin. At saka sayang din yung 150 tapos mutubo pa siya, di ba? Kung nagtataka kayo bakit ako nagkaroon ng violation, doon siya sa parking on the roadside na wala siyang boxes. Usually pwede ka mag-park dun sa mga may box, yellow box. Now, can you please give me my phone? I just wanna show to them. If let's say naka-parking ka dun sa tamang
Where's my bag?
parkingan. Oh, it's here. Sorry, I'm a forgetter again.
Forgetter number 1.
So, pag nagpa-park ka dito kasi sa Malaysia, wala na siyang hindi ka na, di ba dati meron siyang parang papel na you just scratch kung ilang oras ka magpa-park tapos ilalagay mo lang dito sa harap ng dashboard. So ngayon naman meron siyang Penang Smart Apps. Penang Smart Apps yung tawag, Smart Parking System pala, wherein ito siya. Ito yung apps. I don't know if nakikita. Yan. May password. Ganito siya. Hindi ko alam kung klaro ba nila, nak. Yeah, it's like this. And you just need to... Can you hold for me?
Okay.
Like that. Okay. So you have to park and pay. And then meron siya nakalabas dyan na yung plate number. So you just ganun. May na yan siya. Plate number and then nakalagay dito kung ilang oras. So yun siya. Naka-apps na siya. But doon kasi hindi ako gumamit nito kasi wala siyang yellow box. Hindi ko din alam na violation palang mag-park doon kasi nga ang dami namang mga nagpa-park na mga sasakyan. And dati din nagpa-park na din ako, kaya minsan hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan na it will happen. So for now, since okay na tayo, wala na tayong iisipin, let's go to... Where are we gonna go, Nak? Do you want to go for a drink? Because just now it's so hot, like really hot.
Drink.
Okay. Let's go buy drinks. Our drinks is here. Crystal's drinking her Taiping. It's a milk tea.